We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. 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 We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing.
Hi guys, welcome back in today's vlog. My name is Jodie Paul. If you are new here, feel most welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. To my new subscribers, feel most welcome. We really love visitors, and thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. And if you are watching this video and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do so. So my breakfast is ready, and at this point I also had this duvet that I wanted to hand wash. Yeah guys, so to my new subscribers, feel most welcome, and stick around. As the day goes, we'll share more and more. I've got to change the new look of my shoe rack, and I've got a lot, and later I'll prepare dinner in the evening. So stick around and enjoy the video. And this video is just to motivate people, or one person or two. It's just a motivating video. If you have got a dirty or a duvet that you want to do, so that you can get that motivation and get up and do yours, guys. We are still doing them and washing. If one day we get blessed with a machine, we'll do machine. So guys, stick around and watch until the end, and please don't skip the ad. That's where we get motivated from.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing.
So you guys saw me going to the hardware. I wanted to go and pick some paints. I want to paint my shoe rack to white, so I picked this one and tape, masking tape and a brush. And also on my way I got some peas, some onions I didn't have, and at least nowadays the potatoes price has gone down. I got 1 tin of potato. Yeah, so those are the things I got. I want to use this to paint my shoe rack. If you've been here, you know the color, it's brown. I want to paint it to white. So that's the project I want to do immediately now. So let's go and paint it.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one.
So this was the final look, guys, and I love it. I was so proud of myself. I also painted this flower vase. It was green, and painted it to white, and also painted my mirror frame from brown, the usual one, to white. So guys, I really love what I did. So this was much later in the evening. I wanted to prepare dinner. I was making rice with coconut beans. Yeah, I was making rice with coconut beans. So let's make some dinner, and yeah, continue enjoying the vlog, guys. Comment down below, how was my paint? How did it look? Did the shoe rack change, or it didn't make any change, guys? So to me, I feel I really did a good job, although it was a tiresome work. And you know, this was my first time painting. I've never painted, but I really love the outcome. It really need patience, and yeah, just patience and you wait. So let's make the dinner.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love.
So at this point is when I add my coconut milk. Guys, this coconut milk is a game changer. It's so thick. It's small in quantity, but trust me, it's so thick than the ones in the tin. I've used this the second time I'm using it, and I've really loved it. It has got a nice taste. It's so good. It really make everything so perfect. So if you watch this video until this point, thank you so much for your support. Guys, if you're watching and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please like the video so that it can be recommended to so many people and so that our channel can grow. This was our final look. It was rice with beans, coconut beans stew for dinner. And yeah guys, so stick around for more videos, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and let's hit that notification bell so whenever I post any new video, you'll be amongst the first people to be notified. So guys, let's meet in another video. Let me enjoy my dinner.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say.